Hello, kids! Let's learn about ABC. Orange color.
A. Capital A. A is for apple. Apple. B. B is for banana. Banana. C. C is for cake. Cake. D. D is for duck. Duck. E. E is for elephant. Elephant. F. F is for fish. Fish. G. G is for grass. Grass. H. H is for horse. Horse. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J. J is for juice. Juice. K. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L. L is for lion. Lion. M. M is for monkey. Monkey. N. N is for noodles. Noodles. O. O is for orange. Orange. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q. Q is for queen. Queen. R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S. S is for sun. Sun. T. T is for tomato. Tomato. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V is for van. Van. W. W is for water. Water. X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y. Y is for yak. Yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.